Man, do I hate cold. It's like 43, which may not be cold to y'all, but God, 43 is like just way too cold. I hate cold. Hate cold. So there's a mobile home. I want to tell you why I decided to keep it. And yeah, I'm out of breath. I'm fat. Plus I have breathing issues. So here's what I wanted to do. Let's do a live stream tonight, 7 p.m. Central Time. I've been really enjoying the live streams. Alrighty, let's give you a little pan around at what my new Ponderosa looks like. There's a new house. There's some jerk blocking the driveway. There's that shed that will, there's Bev's house. And there's my garage. Where's the garage? Right there. And that shed here, that shed will eventually go down by the garage. So see you tonight at 7 p.m. And now on to the 5 reasons why I decided to keep the trailer. Okay, I'm gonna do a little explanation as to why I decided to leave this trailer here and try to use it as my shop. You see this seam right here? From there back is an added on room. And it's not on the metal I-beams that the trailer is, it's on piers. And then on top of that, it's got a roof over, a new roof over everything, including the new room. So to move this trailer, this room would have to be taken off. And I don't know how you could do that with a new roof attached to it. Plus it's wired in and all that, so the wiring would have to be disconnected. Okay, that's reason 1. This is reason 2. This awning is screwed into and attached to the side of the mobile home. So you'd have to dismantle this awning and then pull the frame off and dismantle that and take it off the mobile home. And it goes almost to the new addition. I mean, it's a long awning. All right, same thing on this side. This awning, there's that awning. This is on the other side of the trailer, and it's attached to the trailer. So this would have to come down. That's reason number 3. Reason number 4. This is the building that I want to use as my knife shop, and I'm going to leave it right where it's at. But let me do a little walking here. The building is got, I don't know, the little area where the stairs come out of the trailer down here. This is attached to the mobile home. So, plus there's a new door cut there. Not the original mobile home door, I'll show you that. So when you take this down and move the trailer, there'll be an open doorway with nothing in it. What is this, 4? Reason number 4. See that roof for the little portable building here, my eventual knife shop, it comes all the way down here. And there's the original exit door, back door for the mobile home. Now here's reason number 5. This is a 15 kilowatt generator, and it is so heavily connected to the house electricity that by the time, see, I don't mess with electricity. I'd have to hire an electrician to disconnect everything. But when he disconnected everything, he would have to reconnect all the breakers in the original house box, outlet box, you know, breaker box. And by the time I sold this, the money I got for selling it would go for an electrician to reconnect everything else in the mobile home. So I'm just going to leave everything as it is. This is a 200 amp box here, which is more than enough to supply this. And it's 10 feet between where the electricity goes up into the shop from here. So if I had to add electricity here, I could do it. And 220, I can do that. And the only thing I can sell is this little thing here. It's 6x8. I bet you I could get 500 bucks for it. And I'm not really, and I may keep it, I don't know. So there's my reasons for deciding to keep this, getting rid of it. Finding that one person willing to do all this work in order to get this mobile home out of here is unlikely, very unlikely. And there's the seam for the add-on with the roof going over it. So yeah, after thinking about this for a long time, I realized that finding somebody to who would be interested in the trailer with all the work that needs to be done and all the holes that will be left in it, because this add-on, they cut a door in the back of the trailer to get into the add-on, so that will be an open hole, and where this is connected, that will be an open hole. So it just makes sense to keep it, and it's got a roof over, so it'll never leak. Anyway, there's my reasons, 5 reasons.